why you can't see your aura, and how to learn aura vision. They say your aura energy field is always glowing, so why can't you see it? It's not because it doesn't exist. It's because most of us have been conditioned to see reality in a very limited way. Your physical eyes are capable of seeing aura colors, but your perception has been trained to filter them out. Deep inside you is the ancient spiritual sight used by shamans, mystics, and healers. The third eye vision that can perceive the energy field around people, animals, and even objects. Today, I'll explain why your aura is invisible to you right now, and how to awaken your aura-seeing ability step by step. Limited perception. Why human eyes can't see aura colors easily. Your human eyes detect only a small part of the light spectrum, the visible light range. But aura energy exists in higher and lower frequencies beyond what the average eye can detect. Nature proves it's possible to see more. Bees see ultraviolet light. Cats and dogs detect subtle energy movement. Birds can see polarized light for navigation. Humans once had heightened perception too, but over time, reliance on logic, artificial lighting, and overstimulation dulled our energy vision. The forgotten spiritual senses, seeing more than the physical. Seeing an aura isn't just about eyesight, it's about activating spiritual senses. Third eye activation, awakening your pineal gland to perceive energy and light fields. Peripheral energy vision, the subtle ability to sense movement or energy without looking directly. Emotional resonance, feeling someone's energy aura or mood before they speak. Ancient energy healers trained these senses until they could clearly see aura color meanings and chakra energy patterns. Why most people can't see aura colors. Now, modern life keeps us in a beta brainwave state, stressed, overthinking, and outwardly focused. Artificial light disrupts subtle vision. Screen time overstimulates the eyes. Constant mental chatter blocks energy field awareness. It's not that you can't see your aura, it's that you've forgotten how. How to see auras. 3 easy aura vision techniques. 1. The peripheral glow method. Best for beginners. Stand in front of a plain wall. Soften your gaze slightly past your hand or someone's silhouette. Relax until your focus feels unlocked. Look for a faint aura glow or shimmer outlining the body. 2. Third eye. Chakra meditation. Deep spiritual vision training. Sit quietly with eyes closed. Focus between your eyebrows. Visualize a sphere of indigo light opening like a lens. Practice daily to strengthen aura-seeing ability. 3. Energy contrast. Practice seeing aura colors faster. Use natural light and a plain background. Try with plants, crystals, or fingertips. Lighting makes it easier to notice aura color haze. Your aura vision is waiting to awaken. Your aura is not hiding, it's communicating in a frequency your spiritual senses must remember. By quieting your mind, softening your gaze, and activating your third eye chakra, you can begin to see aura colors and even interpret what they mean. In our next session, I'll reveal the spiritual meaning of aura colors and how each hue reflects your physical health, emotions, and soul purpose. Until then, practice seeing not just with your eyes, but with your spirit vision. Because once your hidden aura sight awakens, you'll realize the world was never just what it seemed.